Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to create an engine exhaust by using boundary boss base command in SolidWorks. So keep watching this video till end. Start by sketching on front plane. Now select a rectangle, corner rectangle, and draw it from the origin. Now define it. Three inch and 12 inch. Now select a center line and start it from this midpoint to this midpoint. Now select center rectangle and draw it here. Now define it. .40 millimeter and 30 millimeter. Now select sketch fillet and select all these corners. Press OK button. The fillet radius should be 10 millimeters. Now press OK button. Again OK button. Now again select smart dimensions and set this distance 20 millimeter. Press OK button. From here select linear sketch pattern and quantity is 3 in the x-axis direction, and we don't need the direction 2. Now entities to pattern, click on this box and select all these lines one by one. Now increase the distance. (110 millimeters). Press OK button. Now save and exit from sketch. After that, click on this arrow, reference geometry, and select plane. Now select right plane as first reference. Check this box, flip offset, and the distance 6 inch. Now increase the planes. We need 3 planes. So press OK button. Now new planes has been created. First of all, sketch on plane 1, make normal to, and draw a circle. Now define it. 50 millimeter. Select center line and draw it from this midpoint to the center of this circle. Now click on this line and make relation horizontal. Now define it. (70 millimeters). Press OK button. Now sketch on. Now save and exit from sketch. Again sketch on plane 2, make normal to, and draw a circle from the center of previous circle. Define this distance between both of these circles, which is 5 mm. Now press the OK button and then save and exit from Sketch. Again draw a sketch on plane 3, make normal to, and draw a circle. Now define it. Five millimeters. Press OK button and then save and exit from Sketch. Now hide all of these three planes. At the moment, in the Features tab, click on Boundary Boss Base command. Select this line and then check this box, select Closed Loop. Press OK button. Now click on this circle. Here drop down this arrow and select Normal to Profile, and also drop down this arrow and select Normal to Profile. Readjust this point. Press OK button. Now click on this arrow boundary 1 and select this sketch and then click show. Also click on this sketch 2 and then select show. Now select boundary boss base and select this circle, then this circle. Select Normal to Profile and Normal to Profile. Readjust this point. Now click on this circle and select Normal to Profile. Now readjust this point and press OK button. Now click on this arrow boundary 2 and select this sketch and select show. Also select this sketch and select show. Now again click on boundary boss base command and select this line, press OK button and then click on this sketch. Drop down this arrow and select Normal to Profile, and also for this Normal to Profile. Press OK button. Again select boundary boss base command and this time click on this line, press OK button. Now select this circle, Normal to Profile and Normal to Profile. Press OK button. So click on these sketches one by one and hide them. Now sketch on this face, click on this face and select Convert Entities. In the Features tab, select Extruded Boss Base command. Extrude it. Press OK button. Now in the Features tab, select Extruded Boss Base command and then click on this line. Scroll down and right click on selected counters and select clear section. Now click on this box and extrude it up to 5 millimeters. Uncheck this box, merge results. Now press OK button. Now click on this line, or from here select this sketch and hide it. Now use fillet command and set the fillet radius 2 millimeters and select all these 4 faces. Press OK button. Now in the Features tab, select Shell command. Click all these faces along with this face. Check this box, show preview, and here is the wall thickness, which is 2 millimeters. So press OK button. Thank you very much for watching and sparing time for this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Or if you want any help, please contact me on Facebook. My Facebook page link is written in the description of this video.